What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best drones on AliExpress in 2026. Whether you're looking for cinematic 4K footage, long flight range, smart AI features, or a beginner-friendly drone for epic aerial shots, this list has something for everyone. We'll go through the features, performance, and overall value of each drone to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. So, let's get started. Number 1. FIMI Mini 3 Drone. The FIMI Mini 3 is a lightweight yet powerful drone designed for travelers and content creators who want professional quality footage in a compact package. Weighing only 245 grams, this drone is incredibly portable and easy to carry anywhere. It features a 48-megapixel camera capable of recording stunning 4K video at 60 FPS, delivering smooth and detailed aerial shots. The AI-powered night video mode helps improve low-light footage, making it ideal for evening photography and cinematic scenes. With a transmission range of up to 9 kilometers, pilots have the freedom to explore long distances while maintaining a stable connection. Its intelligent flight modes and strong stabilization system also make flying easy and enjoyable. Pros: lightweight and travel-friendly, sharp 4K 60 FPS recording, AI night video technology, long 9-kilometer range, smooth and stable flight performance. The FIMI Mini 3 is an excellent drone for creators who want premium features in a compact and beginner-friendly design. Number 2. FIMI X8 Tele Max Drone. The FIMI X8 Tele Max is built for users who want serious aerial performance and advanced cinematic capabilities. This drone comes equipped with a powerful dual-camera system capable of shooting stunning 4K video at 60 FPS. Its 3-axis gimbal ensures ultra-smooth footage even during fast movement or windy conditions. One of its biggest highlights is the incredible 20-kilometer transmission range, giving users professional-level long-distance flying capabilities. It also includes AI night vision features for improved low-light recording and up to 30 minutes of flight time for extended shooting sessions. Pros: massive 20-kilometer transmission range, professional 3-axis gimbal stabilization, smooth cinematic footage, AI night vision support, reliable long battery life. The FIMI X8 Tele Max is a fantastic choice for drone enthusiasts and filmmakers who want high-end features and long-range flying performance. Number 3. S.X1 Max GPS Drone. The S.X1 Max GPS drone offers an impressive combination of smart features, portability, and value for money. It features a 3-axis gimbal with support for high-resolution aerial recording, helping users capture stable and detailed footage. The included LCD remote controller adds convenience by displaying live flight information directly on the controller. With GPS-assisted flight functions, intelligent return-to-home technology, and multiple included batteries, this drone is perfect for longer flying sessions and easy operation. Its foldable design also makes it convenient for travel and outdoor adventures. Pros: excellent value package, LCD remote controller, stable GPS-assisted flight, foldable portable design, multiple batteries included. The S.X1 Max is a great all-around drone for beginners and intermediate users looking for advanced features at an affordable price. Number 4. Autel Robotics Evo 2 Pro RTK V3. The Autel Robotics Evo 2 Pro RTK V3 is a professional-grade drone designed for filmmakers, surveyors, and advanced drone operators. It features a large 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of delivering incredibly detailed and cinematic aerial footage. The drone's RTK positioning system provides highly accurate flight precision, making it ideal for professional mapping and surveying applications. The drone also includes 360-degree obstacle avoidance and AI target recognition technology for safer and smarter flights. Combined with its powerful camera system and intelligent flight controls, this drone delivers outstanding professional performance. Pros: professional 1-inch CMOS camera, RTK precision positioning system, advanced obstacle avoidance technology, AI-powered flight features, exceptional image quality. The Evo 2 Pro RTK V3 is one of the best professional drones available for users who need maximum precision, performance, and cinematic quality. Number 5. ZLL SG909 Max GPS Drone. The ZLL SG909 Max is a feature-packed budget drone that delivers modern technology and user-friendly controls at an affordable price. It comes with a 4K camera, GPS stabilization, and a foldable design that makes transportation easy. The touchscreen remote controller gives the drone a premium feel while improving the flying experience for beginners. With up to 6 kilometers of transmission range and obstacle avoidance support, the SG909 Max offers impressive functionality for casual aerial photography and recreational flying. Pros: affordable and beginner-friendly, touchscreen remote controller, GPS-assisted stable flight, foldable portable design, obstacle avoidance support. The SG909 Max is a great entry-level drone that offers impressive smart features and excellent value for everyday users. So, that was our list of the top 5 best drones on AliExpress in 2026. Whether you want a lightweight travel drone, a long-range cinematic drone, or a professional aerial photography machine, these drones offer amazing features for every type of user. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more awesome tech reviews and gadget rankings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.